Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and let me just tell you what we are going to do on 26th and 27th of October. On 26th and 27th of October, these 2 days, we are going to meet at Vidyajeevan, Greater Noida Center. This center has been specially designed and made for you students to understand that there is a learning place for medical science. Now here, the conceptual orthopedic students will be gathering together. They will be trying to understand the indications and contraindications of knee replacement. How simple is that? They are going to understand the key points of soft tissue dissections to perform these surgeries. They are going to tell you it's just not about the bone resections and bone cuts. It's also about the soft tissue balancing the alignments. One, you will learn that with the jigs. One, you will learn them how to apply your acumen to improve your results. One, you will learn the experience of everybody who has minimum performed more than 500 knee replacements. Is that all? No. The second thing which is more important is the world heading towards the tech now. Now we are operating with robot today. The robot-assisted knee replacement is the in thing. It is not only something that you need for the marketing, but it gives you more precision, better recovery, good movement, less bone cuts, difficult cases to handle, less blood loss. And in our country, these things are very important, but many times you will see that patients choose replacement at a very late stage. And then the robots are saving time if properly acquired the skill too. Now what you need to do is, on day one, you will learn the basics. Next day, you will learn to perform robotic knee replacement. Are we just going to see the lectures? Obviously not. We are going to do day one on the sawbones and learn the technique for implantations. Day two, we will do it with the robots. So you are going to do hands-on, and that is what is core to CORA. Come and understand core of knee replacement, and then go to CORA, Conceptual Orthopedics Robotic Orthoplastic course. So what are you waiting? If not already registered, register at conceptualorthopedics.com. Thank you very much.